What's up YouTube? My name is Chris Xavier and today I'm going to show you guys how to get NiceHashMiner or whichever mining program you're using to automatically boot up when Windows boots up. I'm having an issue with NiceHash. As you can see here, I have run on startup and auto start mining selected, but it's just not booting up. I don't know what the issue is, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. So it depends what NiceHashMiner installer you have. So if you go to the download center on NiceHashMiner, we're going to hit download, and there's two options. There's the zip file, and there's also the installer. The installer you do not want. The installer is what was creating most of the issues for me. So we're going to download the zip package instead. If you want to uninstall the other version of NiceHashMiner, if you use the installer, you're going to come down here and type in uninstall, hit add or remove programs, find the program, you're going to hit uninstall. So we're going to download the zip package now. We're going to download that, go to our downloads folder. We're going to extract it. I already extracted it into a folder called NiceHash right here. And now what we're going to do, you see the NiceHashMiner application. You're going to right click that. You're going to go to properties, compatibility, and then, hold on, yours is going to look a little different than this. So it'll look like this. So what you want to do is hit run this program as administrator. And then I also go to change for all users. And I hit run this program for administrator for them as well. Hit apply OK. Apply OK. So now it has administrator privileges when the program launches automatically. This is good if you're running the enlargement pill for, let's say, 1080 Ti's. It needs administrator privileges to run that plugin. So now we got that out of the way, but now it's still not booting once Windows starts. So we're going to come down here to Task Scheduler. And I already have it, so I'm going to delete this one. Delete. So now this is what your screen will look like. It may look like this. So over here on the right side, it's going to say create task. Don't do basic task, but regular create task. I'm going to hit that. Name doesn't matter. You can just call it NiceHash autostart. Down at the bottom, you want to use run only when user is logged on. And then you want to select run with highest privileges. That's going to allow the administrative privileges to go through in case you need that for your plugins. Down here it says configure for Windows Vista and Server 2008. Just leave that as it is. Triggers, we're going to hit the trigger tab, hit new, and at the top it says begin task. We're going to change that to at startup. And then right here where it says delay task, we're going to set that to 30 seconds. That way, when my system boots, first MSI Afterburner will open up. It'll overclock the cards. That takes about 5-10 seconds maybe. And then after 30 seconds, sorry, that was my phone. After 30 seconds, NiceHashMiner or whichever program you're using will open up. So I have delay task for 30 seconds, and then the only other one that should be selected down here is enabled. Now we're going to go to the Actions tab, hit New, and then right here it says Start a Program. We're going to find our NiceHashMiner program, the application file that we changed the admin privileges for. We're going to select that. If you select that and you notice that there's apostrophes in it at the beginning and end, I was having a big issue with this on my other system. It was adding these apostrophes. You need to delete those apostrophes. And now we want to copy just the directory. So as you can see here, there's the program, nicehashminer.exe. We want everything except that, including the backslash. So we're going to copy the directory, and we're going to paste the directory down here where it says start in, and then leave arguments blank. We're going to hit OK. We're going to go to conditions, and we're going to deselect everything. If you notice you can't select the second one like this, you're going to want to hit the top one, then deselect it. So we're going to hit this top one, deselect that. So now nothing should be selected under conditions. We're going to go to settings, and the only one you want selected is allow tasks to be run on demand. You don't want this one that says stop the task if it runs longer than 3 days. You don't want the system to shut down after 3 days, or the program. So we're going to deselect everything except for allow tasks to be run on demand. And then the bottom should say do not start a new instance. And we're going to hit OK. And that is it. That is how you get the NiceHash or whichever mining software you're using to boot up as soon as Windows boots, or as soon as you log on to Windows. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also be making a video on how to get MSI Afterburner to auto overclock your cards as soon as Windows starts. That way, when Windows starts, it'll start overclocking and then it'll launch the program like I just showed you. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Give your computer a restart and it should just boot right into the program after 30 seconds. I did notice if you use traditional hard drives, it tends to be like more like 45 seconds to a minute after logging on, it'll boot up. Just because hard drives are slower than SSDs. So just be patient, give it like a whole minute. If it doesn't work after a minute, rewatch the video and make sure you got those settings right. So I hope you guys found this helpful or whatnot. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.